Field's lights are off. Field's being shown 1 to go. If you're listening to us on track 2, and the field is making their way down the backstretch to enter turn 3 and get the green flag on the exit of turn 4, where we've got some cones placed throughout the track. Green flag's in the air. Braking zone on the outside. Preston Davis inside. They're side by side as they go into turn 2. Exit of turn 2. The zone able to horsepower down the backstretch. Contact. Around goes Preston Davis. Not sure what exactly. Preston Davis and Craig Cazone kind of door slammed each other a little bit, and I think Preston Davis got hooked up for just a second, but now we've got the 23 and the 4 hooked together as well. So Preston Davis able to continue on possibly. Davis going over top of the wall. This all transpired when the leaders got together on the exit of turn 4 there. Kind of hooked. They were almost hooked side by side as they kind of touched doors a little bit, and Preston Davis broke loose, and everybody behind him basically had nowhere to go. That's from my vantage point. Maybe we'll have a better look at it when Speedway Video posts the videos tomorrow. Contact. Around goes Preston Davis. Fatback Roberts in the 14, nowhere to go. Brandon Love, nowhere to go. Bones, nowhere to go. So a couple innocent victims here stopped on the front stretch as we were going red flag, as we're going to try to unhook the 23, the 4, and the 14. All kind of accordion effect there. Preston Davis in the 89 did go behind the wall. Bones is outside of his car taking a look at it, surveying the damage as they're trying to break everything loose there. Going to see if he can continue on in that Bobby Mobley Motorsports number 23. Bones getting a little bit of hurry back into the car. Heavy damage to the rear of Dushire. Gonna push the 14 of Fatback Roberts to the back behind the wall. One lap before we go back to green. Bowen's gonna make his way back out in the 23. We'll be anxious to see what the 23 and 89 do. A couple fast cars stuck at the tail end of the field. Meanwhile, your front row, Craig Cazone, James Wright. Green flag. Out front on the outside. His own going to tuck off into the second. His own still has the nose in there. Full season in the third position. Break his own second. Rose Desire third. Justin Davis fourth. Coach Cecil fifth. Solomon Master rounds out the top six. Ronnie Roop seventh. Ronnie Abney eighth. Josh Gorniak ninth. Joe Clace 10th. Brandon Love being scored 11th. Fatback Roberts 12th. Bobby Klinke 13th. Abe Canfield rounds out the field in the 14th position. Getting out of his car, your feature winner, James Wright the third, and the number 56. James coming home with another victory. Not sure what transpired on that lap one, but after the complete restart, you were able to get this thing out front, man, and set the sails. Who do you want to thank?
I want to thank my dad. He busted his tail. Last time we were here, we got the car killed over on the back straightaway, and he's got this thing looking, I mean, so good. Charlie Brown and those guys at Auto Tech Collision, Naramore Machine Shop, my buddy Big Ron. Thanks, Danny, for coming out here helping me. You know, I really want to thank God. I prayed. My dad kind of reminded me this was my aunt's birthday. She passed away a few years ago, but she'd wait up on me every Saturday night and wait for one of these trophies. So this one's for PJ.
Oh, congratulations. Craig, lap one, I don't know really what happened. Looked like you and Preston Davis, some guy somehow got hooked together side by side. He was able to break it loose, but unfortunately some of the field collected behind him. But you were able to keep your mind set on the restart and put this thing out front, keep it out front. It's hard to hold off that 56, but able to come home with a runner-up position.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what happened on that restart. We made a little contact in the middle of the corner, and then I don't know if he got stuck on me, and then or people piled him into me, or I'm not really sure. But hate it for everybody that happened to. The second restart there, James got a nose on me, and I knew then I was in trouble. That car's, he was better than me. He was going to beat me probably regardless, but I gave it to him on the start, so that stinks. But anyhow, I've got to thank Billy and Jenny Wright for the opportunity. My dad, Kazone Barbecue, he always helps us out a lot. My fiance Alexa, my son Landon's here. And everybody, all the fans for coming out and having a good night of racing.
Good, solid run. Congratulations, Craig Kazone, coming up in a runner-up position.
Go to patreon.com/Speedway Video now.